How to understand Libertex trading fees. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once logged in, tap on the More section from the bottom bar, then navigate to Libertex Portfolio or Reports to check your trading activity or fees. Libertex trading fees vary depending on the asset you trade, including forex, stock, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. There are generally two types of fees: spread and commission. The spread is the difference between the buying and selling price of an asset, while the commission is a fixed or percentage-based fee applied per trade. To view the fees for a specific asset, go to the Market section, select the asset you want to trade, and check the trading details. You will see information about spread, overnight fees, and any other applicable charges. Understanding these fees helps you plan your trades and manage your investment cost effectively. You can also open your browser and search for Liberty Trading Fee in the search bar, where you can find detailed fee information directly on the official Libertex website. Now you know how to understand Libertex trading fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips.